So, our third clue is on this E2 class tank engine. You know what we need. Our handy dandy
Notebook.
notebook, right. So, an E2 class tank engine. Wait, how do I draw an E2 class engine anyway? Well, we could draw the circle first, then we'll draw the funnel, then the boiler, the dome, 2 circles for the windows, the whistle, the cab, the coal hopper, the 3 wheels, and the buffers. There, an E2 class tank engine. Wow, who would have thought drawing this could be so hard to do? But we have all 3 clues. Wait, we have all 3 clues to figure out what is the car gonna be for show and tell. It's time to sit in our
Thinking chair.
thinking chair. Let's go.